I try to be always, the face of at least the corporate side of security. Sending out emails. We do frequent security awareness trainings, things like that. Send out emails, or if there's a particularly bad phishing email that's going around, like I'll send out an email and things like that. And so, um, I don't pop up once a year and saying, "Hey, we're doing this tabletop. It'd be great to have you." There are multiple points of contact throughout the year where I'm talking to these people about various things. And so, like, when the chance for a tabletop comes up, I'm like, "Hey, we're doing right now on the tabletop. I'd love to have you sit there." And, one of the other things that, I feel it's important that kind of relates to the tabletop is previously to this tabletop, I had reached out to them and said, "We're working on our business continuity plan. I need people for you to designate as this." And they're like, "Well, what's that?" And I say, "In case of events, et cetera, et cetera." And, this is related to a lot of, cyber insurance policies, they want you to have this kind of thing. So, like, the seed is kind of always germinating it in their head to, think of these things.